This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make restaurant-style vegetable soup. First, gather your freshest ingredients. Quality truly makes a difference. Begin by finely dicing your chosen vegetables, aiming for uniform pieces for even cooking. Next, gently sauté your aromatics, like minced garlic and diced onions, in a good quality oil until they are translucent and fragrant. This step builds a crucial flavor base for your delicious soup. To elevate your soup, deglaze the pot after sautéing with a splash of dry white wine or extra vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Add your vegetables and broth, then simmer gently for at least 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. For that signature restaurant texture, blend about 1/3 of the soup until smooth, then stir it back into the pot. This creates a luxurious, slightly thickened consistency without adding cream. Before serving, taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch of salt, a grind of fresh pepper, and a dash of fresh herbs can transform the taste. Consider adding a small amount of acidity, like a squeeze of lemon juice or a few drops of white wine vinegar, to brighten the flavors. Finally, present your soup beautifully. A sprinkle of finely chopped fresh parsley, a few homemade croutons, or a delicate swirl of plant-based cream will make it look professionally prepared and utterly irresistible. For an even richer flavor profile, try roasting some of your harder vegetables, like carrots or squash, before adding them to the soup. This caramelization adds incredible depth. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice blends. A pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of curry powder can create exciting variations. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality vegetable soup. It's truly a culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.